morning, everyone. My name is Michael Olafumi Williams, and I will be teaching you mathematics. And the topic before us this morning, mathematics. Today's date is 15/06/2019. The topic before us today is algebraic processes. Yeah. When you are talking about algebraic processes, first of all, what is the meaning of algebra? Algebra are combinations of alphabet and word number. That is algebra. Number and alphabet combined together. Call them what? Algebra. Then under this topic we shall talk about algebraic expression. What do I call it? Algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. There are two types of algebraic expression. We have one. We have what is called linear algebraic expression, and we have what is known as quadratic algebraic expression. Right. Under the linear algebraic expression, here the highest power in linear algebraic expression is 1. For example, we have 2x plus 2y. As you can see, the highest power here is 1. So in linear algebraic expression, the highest power is 1. A linear algebraic expression is that algebraic expression in which its highest power is 1. A good example, 2x plus 2y. Another one is 4y plus 7x. Just like that. The highest power is 1 in linear algebraic expression. Now, the other one, which is a quadratic algebraic expression, here, going by the name quadratic. Quadratic means what? 2. That is quadratic. So the highest power here is 2. So a quadratic algebraic expression is that expression in which its highest power is what? 2. So this one is linear algebraic expression, and we have the other one, quadratic algebraic expression. Now under this one, e.g., we have 2x plus 2x plus 2y, or let me say 2x plus x plus 1. A good example. Another one, 3x plus 4x plus 3. Like that. As you can see, here, linear algebraic expression. Linear algebraic, the highest power is 1. That is the exponential power here is 1. While under quadratic algebraic expression, the highest power is what? 2, as you can see. So that is that about that. Now, in mathematics, there is something that is called removal of brackets or expansion. Removal of brackets or expansion. Removal of bracket or what? Expansion. So probably let me rub this off so that we can talk about that. Let us talk about this quickly. Removal of brackets or expansion. Removal of brackets or expansion. Expansion of brackets or removal of brackets. Removal of brackets or what? Expansion. Removal of brackets or what? Expansion. Removal of brackets or expansion. Okay, removal of brackets or expansion. So how do we remove brackets in mathematics? It's very simple. Removal of bracket is very simple and very straightforward. E.g., if you are to remove or expand, e.g., expand the following. E.g., expand the following. N bracket of x plus 1. That is 1. 2. Now in bracket of a plus b. 3. 4x in bracket of let's say s squared plus 1 plus 2y in bracket of x plus 2. So let us consider these three examples. Let us consider these three what? Examples. Expand the following, or better way, you can say remove the following brackets. Now, how do we remove brackets? How do we expand our words? Algebraic process. Now, solution to number 1. Expand the following. All you need to do, at the end of the day, you will discover that this bracket will go by the time we perform our operation. How do we do that? Solution. How do we do that? How do we do this? N in bracket of x plus y. N multiplied by, all you need to do is just distribute what you have outside the bracket on each term inside the bracket. That is, you use n to multiply what? X. You use n to multiply what? Y. So after doing that, then you must have what? Remove this bracket or expanded this particular word expression. So let us quickly do that. N in what? That is, the question is n in bracket of x plus y. So remove your bracket immediately. How do we do this? We use this one to multiply this. Of course, n times s is what? Nx, and n times y is what? Ny. So that is the answer. Very simple. As you can see, it's very easy. That is expansion or removal of word bracket. Number 2 question. We have to remove these brackets. We don't need these brackets. So how do we do that? Like what we did there. The question is what? 9 in bracket of a plus b. Oh yeah, remove the bracket. Let us do that quickly. Use 9 to multiply a. That will be what? 9a. Use 9 to multiply b. That will be what? 9b. So that's the answer. So let us quickly tackle example 3. Example 3 says what? 4x in bracket of s squared plus 1 and plus 2y in bracket of s plus 2. So how do we do this? We have, like what we did in 1 and 2, we are still going to repeat the same process here. So we have what? 4 times 1, because the what is called the coefficient of s here is 4. Why the coefficient of s here is 1? So coefficient of f let the two coefficients multiply each other. 4 times 1 is 4. X times s squared, definitely I will what? S raised to power 3. That is s multiplied by s squared, s raised to power 3. 4s times 1 to multiply by 1 is that particular number or that particular word, term. So 4s times 1 will give us what? 4s. Again, that is all about this. So the bracket is already off. So let us remove this bracket as well. Plus 2 times 1 is 2, like I did here. Coefficient multiplied by coefficient. Y times s is what? Sy. In the same vein, 2 times 2 is what? 4. Then y times y is what? Y. So that's all about this. Removal of what? Brackets. Removal of what? Brackets. So class, viewers at home, as you can see, we have been able to teach you this morning what algebraic process is all about. So we started the class by talking about what algebraic what expression, and I told you that algebraic expression is of two types. We have that of linear expression, in which the highest power is 1, and that of what algebraic what expression, in which the highest power there is what 2. And I've also taught you how to what remove brackets. I've taught you how to remove what brackets. These are some of the examples. Let me give you more example on expansion or removal of what brackets. More example. That's all about example number 1. So let me give you additional example from my textbook, so that you can easily what continue with our work. Now, we have this. The question says example 2. Example 2. The question says write down the expansion. Write down the expansion of the following. Write down the expansion of the following. Write out the expansion of the following. A, you have as v minus 5 in brackets, v plus 11 in brackets. B, s plus 4 square. C, 21y minus 3 squared. D, a plus b in bracket of what? A minus b. So let us quickly tackle these questions. Let us quickly tackle this question. As you can see, write down the expansion of the following. Now, what they are trying to say as far as all these questions are concerned is we have to remove the bracket of all this expansion. Remove the brackets. That is all. Just remove the bracket. Yeah, how do we do this? No, this example is quite different from the other one, the previous example. So, but we are going to solve them because the questions are very easy. They are very straightforward. They are simple. So let us quickly what tackle them. Let's quickly what tackle them. We have what v minus 5. There we have v plus 11. V minus 5, v plus 11. That is question number 1. Or let me say question number A. Solution to question A. Now, what we are going to do here is, just like what we did in the previous examples, we are going to use each of these terms now. We are going to distribute them on this. That is, we use v to multiply v, use v to multiply 11. Then, we won't stop there because we are having two terms here. So, then we also go to the second term, which is minus 5. So, minus 5 times v, minus 5 times what? Plus 11. Then that is it. If there's a way you can manipulate or add or subtract, you do it. But if addition and subtraction is not possible, then you leave it. Now let's quickly do that quickly. Now we have v times v. V times v is what? V squared. As you all know, v times v is v squared. Then v times plus 11 is plus 11v. That is all. Minus 5 times plus v. Minus times plus is minus. Minus 5 times v is what? That is minus 5v. As you can see, minus times plus is minus. Then 5 times 11 is what? 55. So with this now, let's see if there is. Let's see if addition or subtraction are possible or is possible. Now let us do this and this. V 11v minus. As you can see, this and this are similar. Yeah, they are very similar. This one's having 11v. This one's having v, and v. The v that is here has no square. The highest power here is 1. The highest power here is 1. As you can see, but this one, the highest power here is 2. So that makes it different from this and this. So that means this and this can be what? Added or subtracted. So it's like you are having 11v minus 5v. So 11v, just deal with the coefficient. What is coefficient is 11? What is coefficient is 5? So plus 11 minus 5, that is 6. So we have v squared plus 6v minus 55. So I think from here we cannot go beyond this. As you can see, all of them are quite different. They are not the same. This one is having 2, this one is having 1. This is a good example of what? Quadratic expression. The highest power is 2. 2, 1, 0. So that is it. So that is all about that. I believe you quite understand what I am teaching you. Alright, let us quickly solve the B part of the question. Let's solve the B part of the question. Let's solve the B part of the question. The B says what? B says x plus 4 squared. X plus 4 squared. Now how do we solve this? This is B. Our answer here is what? This one, x plus 4. The meaning of this one is, that is x plus 4 in bracket square, means that we have to write this one in 2 places. Write x plus 4 in 2 places. That is x plus 4. X plus 4 in 2 places. That is the meaning of this. Expansion of this. Just write, because it's square. If it is 3, then assume we have power of 3, this one will have been written thrice. So since it is what? X plus 4, we are writing it twice. So let's go. Now, like what we did there, we are going to repeat the same process here. We multiply this by this, multiply this with this by this, and this with this. Then we add or subtract. Now x times s is what? S squared. X times plus 4 is plus 4x. 4 times x is what? Plus 4x. 4 times 4 is what? 16. So we have it as what? S squared. 4 plus 4 is what? 8. 4x plus 4 is 8x plus what? 16. So that becomes your answer. That generally becomes your what? Answer. So that is that for B. Let us quickly go to what? C. Let us quickly go to C. Well, C says, sorry, permit me to rub this off. Sorry. Permit me to rub this off. Well, C says what? I believe you already have the question with you. Well, C says what? Well, C says what? All right, 21. 21. Well, C says what? 21. 21y minus 3 s squared. So just like this, just like in B. So we are going to repeat the same process in C. C says what? 20. Now what we are going to do here is we are going to write this one twice. 21y minus 3, then 21y minus 3. So that is it. Now your answer becomes what? 21 times 21. That should be 21 times 21 from your calculator. 21 times 21 from your calculator. Then you don't have a calculator with you. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2, that is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. And 2 times 2 is what? 4. So that is 1, 4. So that is 4, 4, 1. 4, 4, 1, y squared. Then 21 times minus 3. That is minus 63y. Minus 3 times 21. That is minus 21. Minus 3 times 21y. That is minus 63y. Minus times minus is plus. 3 times 3 is what? 9. So from here we have 4, 4, 1 squared. As you can see, these are similar, so we can add or subtract. So minus 63 minus minus 63, that would be what? Minus 126y plus 9. So that becomes your final answer for C. That becomes your final answer for what? C. That becomes your final answer for what? C. So that is all about that. So let us go to solve. Let's solve the last question on that example. Last question on that example. Last question on that example. And the question says what? We have a question D. A plus B in bracket of what? A minus B. A plus B in bracket of A minus B. So that will give us A times A. A times A is A squared. A times minus B is minus AB. B times A is what? AB. B times plus B times minus B, that is minus B squared. Plus times minus is minus, B times B is, that is a B squared. So from here, as you can see, we can add and subtract this. Minus AB plus AB to cancel definitely. This is minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So our final answer becomes what? A squared minus B squared. So that is it. And this one is called what? Difference of 2 squared. So that is it. Difference of what? 2 squared. So that's that about that. I think we have to take a short break and we'll be back shortly. I believe you have been well taught on how to tackle questions concerning removal of brackets and the introductory part of what algebraic processes. In our next class, we are going to talk about the factorization of algebraic expression. That will be our next subtopic under this topic. I believe you really enjoy your class, your view. Please share this video, invite your friend to Success Link Education WhatsApp platform, so that we are going to be doing this on a daily basis to keep you busy as you are preparing for your WAEC, NECO, Post-JAM and School of Nursing exams. Thank you very much. We shall be back shortly.